Hi, 1-2s. This week is feedback week. That means that you must remember to send a picture of your completed task in an Edmodo private message. We're continuing to work on our buah-buahan dan sayur-sayuran, our fruits and vegetables, but this is our last week, so this is your wind-up week. It's going to show me what you've learned and what you've remembered. Our learning focus today is we are learning and revising the Bahasa Indonesian words for fruits and vegetables, and we are learning to write a list of clues, so describing with colour and size about a mystery fruit behind our door. Our success criteria today is I can pronounce and remember the Bahasa Indonesian words used for a range of fruit and vegetables, and I can write a sentence in Bahasa Indonesian about the colour or size of a mystery fruit using Bahasa Indonesian. Okay, so this week is all about giving your reader as much information as possible about your chosen mystery fruit, of course in Bahasa Indonesian, without actually telling them what fruit or vegetable you've actually chosen. So we are using the show, don't tell writing strategy. It's also a chance for you to show off what you now know and how you use your Indonesian. So impress me. So what I want you to do is you might want to press pause and revise all of the fruits and vegetables, the sayur-sayuran and the buah-buahan, in the slide. So refer to the PowerPoint presentation as well. That is attached to this Edmodo post. So you're going to work your way through all the kata-kata baru. And remember, you can also refer back to your vocab pages that we made. So you made a page on vegetables and a page on fruit that we can use. So in order to complete this, we must quickly revise our colours. Now, I know you guys are great at your colours, so this will be nice and easy for you. Let's go. Repeat after me. Blue is biru, red is merah, orange is jingga, green is hijau, black is hitam, white is putih, yellow is kuning, pink is merah muda, purple is ungu, grey is abu-abu, and brown is chocolate. Bagus. So when writing our clues about a chosen fruit or veggie, you need to remember that this is your sentence starter. So all of your sentences will start with this. Buah ini says this fruit is, or sayuran ini says this vegetable is. So they will be your sentence starters for today's task. So if you choose a fruit, it will be buah ini, but if you choose a veggie, it will be sayuran ini. That is your first clue. So here is how we are going to describe the fruits and vegetables. It's exactly the way that we did last week, but we are changing our first word in the sentence structure. So instead of saying the fruit name, we are saying buah ini. Instead of saying the vegetable name, we will say sayuran ini. Okay, so it will be buah ini berwarna, and then the colour word. Look at my worked example. So buah ini berwarna jingga dan hijau. The fruit is orange and green. What fruit might be behind my door? Maybe. Let's learn how also to add an extra layer to our description. We're going to learn how to write about the size of the fruit and vegetable. So this is an extension. If you would like to have a go at adding this into your clues today, you can. But if you're not comfortable, that's fine. Just use the colours as a clue. So to add more description for the reader, we can write a short sentence about the size of the fruit. Big is besar. Everyone say besar. And small is kecil. Kecil. Good. So here are my examples. This fruit is big. We say buah ini besar. And then this vegetable is small. We say sayuran ini kecil. So you're just adding to the end of that sentence starter the word besar or kecil. So here are some worked examples of the clues that you might want to write today. So I've obviously put the picture of the fruit in the first one, but the second one I haven't. So the first lot of clues says buah ini biru, buah ini kecil. So it says the fruit is blue, this fruit is small. And obviously that is blueberries. On the other side, I have written some without a picture. Sayuran ini jingga dan hijau. Sayuran ini besar. Now you know that I've started with sayuran ini, which means this vegetable. So I must have written about a vegetable. And so my clues say this vegetable is orange and green. This vegetable is big. What vegetable do you think I have written about? So your heading today is apa itu, and this means what is it, apa itu. At the end of the clues, don't forget to write the ending clue, which is buah apa itu, what fruit is it, or sayuran apa itu, what vegetable is it. Okay, so buah apa itu at the end if you did a fruit, sayuran apa itu if you did a vegetable. I want you to pause this video and go to the link in the Edmodo post for today's modelled session. Okay, there's a separate video that I have used to model today's activity. So I want you to go to that now, press on it and have a watch at how to complete today's task. So now that you've watched the modelled video, here is the completed task. So you can see my heading at the top, buah apa, apa itu. And then, of course, I wrote about a fruit, buah. And my clues were buah ini berwarna hijau dan merah muda. Buah ini besar. So this fruit is green and pink. This fruit is big. Buah apa itu? What fruit is it? And of course, under my door, I have drawn a picture of a semangka, a watermelon. Have a great time doing this task. I love doing this task with the kids, so I'm really upset that I can't do it with you, but I know you'll all do a wonderful job. Make sure you send your picture to me so I can give you some feedback on your wonderful Indonesian work. Sampai jumpa.